Hello survivors, do you want to play a game? You and 3 of your friends will be dropped off at a random map location. In order to survive, you must evade the killer. To get out, you have to complete 5 generators as a team. Will you urban evade everywhere, like Juan? Or will you hide behind a rock while your teammate is getting chased? Remember that Mila can only loot the killer for 5 gens if survivors are actually doing gens. Are you going to spend most of your time jacking off dull totems instead of helping your teammates like Lavinia? Or will you miss your decisive strike but pretend that you never had it to begin with, Vince? Will you camp the hatch with a broken key like God Help the Girl and Seven Dust? Or will you leave your teammate to die on their first hook like Bliss in order to save yourself? The choice is yours, survivors. Don't get distracted and fail your skill checks because you are too busy looking for a wife online. Hashtag keep Kevin. Good luck. And let's play. Jesus Christ. What's up, guys? Sorry about the roast there, but you know, I love you guys, and so I just had to do it. Welcome to the channel, guys. I hope you guys enjoy that little intro. I was just my way of celebrating Halloween month by, you know, being a little festive, a little animated and stuff like that. So hi. Okay. Hi. 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 Oh my gosh. I just forgot I had like oh my god. I literally just put my face up against his and I forgot I had stuff on my face, and now he has the Jigsaw circle. You guys can't really see it, but he has a Jigsaw circle on his head now. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. Oh shit. I literally thought he was gonna go around. Why is there 2 people fucking walking around? Like, are you fucking serious, dude? Now they're hiding? You're fucking urban evading? You're hiding from a fucking killer that you could see fucking pick someone up from halfway aside? Aw, dude, you guys are fucked up. Yeah, me fucked up, bitch. You better fucking come get me. Oh, you're gonna jack off a dull totem instead, and you're gonna stand next to her while she jacks off a dull totem. Alright. Yeah, she really needs that protection, jacking off that fucking dull totem. Come get me, you fucking cunt! I'm out. Nah. Not doing it. In that time I was getting chased by the killer, 1 guy was able to get 1 gen done. You know what that means? That means that 3 generators should have fucking popped. Like, there's no fucking reason. None. For points, fuck it, why not? You shouldn't have wiggled, bitch. Hey. Fucking sick of these bastards literally walking around doing nothing all fucking game. I fucking punish every fucking survivor now because of it. Oh yeah, go farm him, bitch. Ooh. Nah, bitch, you got me fucked up. You really think I'm gonna let you get that grab, though? Oh, a flashlight? Oh my god, I can't wait to take that away from you, dweeb. Oh, it's not a dweeb, it is a Felix. Hey, Felix. Oh. my god. Yes, bitch. Use up all of your fucking flashlight, you asshole. Okay, that's better. Oh, let me get comfortable. Felix, this is fun for me. Let's... You got me fucked up, bitch. What's up, thick eyes? Wow, he got the trap off already? Shut the fuck up. Oh, you used this pallet already, didn't you, bitch? Going for the fucking window? Yeah, fuck you, ho. Hey, what's up, Bloody Bonesaw? Welcome to the chat. Hey, I like your name. Welcome to the chat. You're not gonna make it to that. You're not gonna make it to that, Jane. Are you out of your flashlight, bro? What's going on? Where are we going? Where are we going? Oh, yeah? Yeah? Nah, bitch. I don't think so. I'm not getting out of this. Cussing. I cuss a lot. A lot. So. Well, at least we would know that. Oh! Honey! What are you doing, sweetheart? Darling. Can we talk about it? Annie. Oh, you're the slug. I don't know. Should I? I'm gonna let my chat decide if you live or die. Alright, we're gonna play a game, guys. You have 50 seconds to find the hatch while on the ground before I kill you. Or you must let your fate be decided from my chat. Ooh, Aldo says kill you. 3 people said live, 2 people said die. There's like 10 seconds left, guys. Vote. Ooh, it's tied now. Oh! Wow, alright, they said live. Good luck finding the hatch though, because I'm not taking you to it. GG. Sorry, Rika, it's not personal. Whoa, hold on 1 second. I'm adding a stream marker for that because that was a lot of fun to do. Alright. Oh, thank you so much for this. Rika was like, oh man. You were so close to death. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. I feel bad, but you know, I've been getting like really fucked up survivors all day, so I was like, fuck that, I'm gonna punish them. But unfortunately, you had to be the one, and I'm really sorry about that.